All right, welcome back everyone. So in this video we are going to show each other how we are going to change mileage specifically for Toyota as an odometer correction. So this module was firstly made for like Toyota. The other brands are going to follow soon, so the other updates are going to be updated very soon. So specifically this is for Toyota, but as I say, the other brands are going to follow suit just soon after some days. So let's get started. All right, so we'll have to go to where it says mileage Toyota, and you see it can convert from hex to km and km to hex, and this is a reference table. Okay, so this is what a trick with Toyota. Usually Toyota mileages in the EEPROMs are stored in the very first 3 or 4 lines of the EEPROM. Usually they are the first 4 lines of the EEPROM. So we are going to check that also. So let's get started. We're going to download the file from, let's say, this guy here. What does it say? It says yeah, blah blah blah. The original mileage is here. So of course I've already downloaded the file, so we are just going to download for the sake of this video. Yeah, you see this is the mileage. Yeah, of course I already downloaded the file, so we are going to do that. So this is the file I downloaded already, so I just edited it to be this mileage that this guy was talking about. So let's get started now. All right, so we need to take note of this mileage. Let's copy it. We will need that later on, and then we'll come here. So for us to check his original mileage in the EEPROM, as I say earlier on, so this is what you have to do right here. You need to go where it says km to hex, so that we should get the values that are in the EEPROM. So we'll paste the original mileage here, which it says 658,087. That was his original mileage. Let's just confirm also. Yeah, this is the original mileage. Okay, so let's get back here. And right now we are going to click enter. You see, so as you can see, there are values that have been brought. So as I said earlier on, usually you find these values on the you find these values specifically on the first lines of the EEPROM, if not third, fourth, or fifth. If it's going to be on the first line, so we are going to see that shortly. So in this case, we'll have to open HXT editor to load our file. Yeah, so we are going to load this file here. We are going to load our file here. Okay, so the software said we should check for these values. Okay, so this is what you have to write to the EEPROM. So this is the original file, so we need to check these values. You say where it says 7E 9A, we need to check these values. There are 3 values. This one, of course, you can take it seriously, but usually this is going to give you the hint and the value that follows. Okay, so let's check it right here. It's 7F9A, 7F9A, 7F9A. Usually these values are repeated like 3 times or more. So it says 7A, no, sorry for that, it says 7E 9A, 7E 9A FF. All right, I think this is the file. This is the values. As you can see, it's been repeated 3 times, as I said earlier on. You see, there is this, and then there is this, and then there's this also. So this is the original mileage for this vehicle. So we are going to paste these files. We're going to paste these values on the, we'll go here and then we'll paste these values. Okay, so let's check it here. So it says 7E 9A, 7E 9A, 7E 9A FF. Oh, okay, yes. So this is the file. Okay, these are the values. So this is what we are going to do now. We are going to check if these values are going to translate in this thing here, in this mileage, in these figures. Okay, so we'll convert it and then we'll paste these values that we copied from there. So when we click enter, we should get the original mileage that we got from here. It should give us this mileage. I hope you're with me, guys. Yeah, so we have pasted that and then we'll click enter. As you can see, the original mileage has been here, has been verified. It was 6580 blah blah blah. Yes, so we need to go back to the file. I mean to the, you see, this is the original file. Okay, so in this case he says we should change it to 235 123 235 123. Okay, so here is the thing, guys. All right, as you can see, the original mileage has been verified. So we are going to put the desired mileage here, which is this is that guy is saying it, and then we'll click enter. You see, and you hear it says write to EEPROM. So this is what we are going to do. We are going to replace the values that we got from here, these values. Okay, we are going to replace these values with these values here, DC, AE, DC. You see, these are the values that we are going to replace from here in order to give us our desired mileage. So for us to prove us that this is the original one for this figure, we can also convert this to km. Okay, we converted the miles to the decimal, and then we are also going to convert the decimal to the mileages to see if it's verified. Okay, so we are going to copy this DC. It says DC AE DC. Okay, so we are going to do this, as you can see. So this is the mileage that this guy was talking about. Okay, this one here, as you can see, it's the same one, exactly the same one. So yeah, in the first place we wrote this, as you can see. So this is, we are going to modify into our original EEPROM. So we are going to replace these to here 3 times. As you can see, it's been repeated 3 times here. Yeah, I hope you have an idea of what I've been talking about. So maybe we should try again with other file also, just to be sure. Okay, yeah, so let's try another file. We were trying this file. Okay. So this guy is saying which file should we try here? Which file should we try here? This is 2016. Yes, this is the best one. I think we can go with the 2016 model. And we should take note of this. It says 166. This is the original EEPROM. I mean, this is the original mileage. We need to download that. Yeah. Okay, it's been saved already. I think it's bearing the original mileage for it, so I think we don't have to. Okay, let's just edit it. Okay, it's bits. Yeah, this is the file, and then we're gonna, yeah, sure, yeah, so it's been extracted. So we need to copy this file, this figure, and then we'll go here where it says km to hex. Okay, here. All right, so as I said earlier on, so we're going to look for these figures where it says 9e ed and the one that follows. Okay, so we're going to load that file into hxt editor so that we can view these values. Okay, so this was the old one. We should close that, and then we should upload the we should upload this one. Okay, yeah, sure. Okay, I think we are good now. All right, so we need to look for this value where it says 9e ed. So as I said earlier on, the trick is to look for in the first lines of the EEPROM, like the third one, fourth one, fifth one. It's usually in the first lines of the EEPROM. Okay, so we are looking for the 9e ed, 9e e9 and the one that follows. 9e e9 and e9. I think it's this one. Yeah, let's check if this fits repeated 3 times. 9e ef 9e f. Yeah, it's this one. It's repeated 3 times. As you can see, also there is 9e e9 is there. This one. Yeah, sure. So we need to copy them. Yeah, sure. Let's check if it's gonna bring us the original. Yeah, 1661. Let's check his mileage. 166 1116. Yeah, it's the same one as you can see. Okay, so this is what we are going to do. We are going to put our desired mileage. For example, let's say we are going to put here 75,500. Okay, just for an example. All right, so we are going to replace these ones with these ones in order for us to have 75,500 EEPROM. Okay, so for us just to check also, we are going to copy this. It said FF AA F8. This is just for a reference, just to see if we got the right. We are going to get 75,500. Okay, yeah, and then we'll paste that also. As you can see, this is the original mileage. Yeah, so this tool is very powerful, guys. So yeah, so what you need is you need to replace these values to the ones that were shown here. Okay, these ones. Okay, I hope you get an idea right now. So this tool is very powerful, guys. It's on promotion. There is more to it. As you can see, there's more to it. There is programming procedures. You see, this is Volkswagen. Of course, this is tutorials for Toyota, but as you can see, guys, let's just try this scope 7. Maybe we can put 2017. Okay, it's lost there. Yeah, as you can see, it's saying everything. Saying everything. As you can see, there are so many procedures. All right, it has so many stuff, guys, so I wish you to try it. So this tool is going to be updated. It's going to be online. Once you buy it, you're going to receive updates, because the engineers, we are still working on it. We are still going to give it more functions. As I said earlier on, the other brands for the mileage are going to be added soon, like very soon. So I dare you guys to get the tool. All right, thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions, if you have bought the file and then you want us to add something, you can email us. If you buy it, yeah, just tell us what you want and we'll bring it for you. Alright, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Alright, thank you guys. God bless.